think so. Well, I'll show you a different part of it. It's got 3 colors on it. It's got white and burgundy and navy. So now you saw an even different outfit. I got my ice cream today. And ice cream is, it's like BoxyCharm or any of those, but it's almost always just 100% makeup. You don't get like skincare and stuff like that, which is what I like about it actually. And it's, I think it's $21 and then $8.95 shipping, so it's basically $30-ish, which is what BoxyCharm is. So I already took out all the, they send you popcorn, but I've shown you before, it's dissolvable in water, so it's, you know, environmentally friendly popcorn, but I already took it all out. So, peek. Alrighty, the first thing is, they almost always send you a palette. They always send you prices. It says, thank you. There's no better time to say thanks for both your business and support. We are grateful for you. Eyescream Beauty. So then here's the price on the other side. So this is a face modeling contour palette. Pressed powder type. Alrighty. Let's see what we got here. What I started to say, and I got distracted by my own self. They almost always, at least every time I've gotten it, right? So I would say pretty much 100% of the time you get a eyeshadow palette, a full like 9 to 12 pan eyeshadow palette every time. Plus sometimes other palettes like this one. It's got a mirror. I'll try not to blind you here. Oh, there we go. So it's got different contours, and then the white, I guess, but it's got different shades of brown, so you're bound to have one that fits your complexion, because it's various and sundry shades of brown. One similar to this, I haven't used this. I shouldn't have swatched it because now I can't give it away. But I didn't swatch the other one. Maybe I'll give the other one away. Alrighty, what's this? Looks like a lipstick, but don't know for sure. So Susan. Oh, I can't read it. Nope, it's some kind of something here. Where is my handy dandy little... I can't find it. I've got a... There it is. Handy dandy little light shifting highlighter cream. So it's a highlighting cream in a very light color. I probably would not use this. So this one I'm going to put away in my giveaway goodie pile for some giveaway or another. I do giveaways fairly often, so I just one of the stuff like this I won't use. I just add it to my little stash. Oh, I don't want to ruin that. Move that. Okay, then we have a lip liner. It looks like I don't use lip liner, and I should. It's a pretty color. It's sort of a berry color, because I have certain lipsticks that I like the color, but they bleed really bad, and you end up with lipstick will clear down here. So if you use a lip liner, it holds it in so it doesn't bleed. Okay, what is this one? The Basic Beauty Lip Gloss. I'm not a lip gloss girl either, so this one's probably going to go in a giveaway too. So I prefer like a barrel lipstick, not a lip gloss. It's a pretty color. It's just not me. I just not a lip gloss kind of girl. I don't like the way they feel sticky. It's a pretty color. Can you? Oh, here. So this one will also go in a giveaway. So far, I'm keeping the contour thing, and that's it. But now we're down to the eyeshadow palette. You usually get, oh, I should have done the prices for you. I'll go back and do that. This is Sugar Daddy Estate Pigment Palette. Okie dokie. It's got like a sleeve on it. It's got a mirror. Oh, I thought this was eyeshadow. I guess it is. It's just not colors I would probably use. Is it eyeshadow? Huh. Let me see on here. Let's see if it says it on here. It just says Estate Cosmetic Palette, $30. But I guess it could be eyeshadow. I don't know. These colors look more like contours. I don't use these kind of darker colors. I guess it's eyeshadow. It's just not my thing. So I'll probably give this one away too. So I'm kind of batting 1,000 this time. So this was $30 right here. So that was the value of the box all by itself. Let's see. This one was Basic Beauty. Basic Beauty Mocha Frappe Lip Gloss, $15. This thingy here. Pressed Powder Contouring Palette, $55. And then there's the lip liner in here somewhere. Oh, and that highlighting cream was $29, and the lip liner was $6. So this total is, oh, $55. The lip gloss was $15, so 55 is that's 70, 100, 129, $135. Not bad. So most of this, and I probably would have gave it all away if I hadn't stuck my big fat finger in that one, so I can't give that one away, the contour one. But I mean, I really like ice cream. I enjoy it every month. Just sometimes, you know, it's just not you, but then I have it to give to y'all. But I almost always love the eyeshadow. The one I got last month, oh, I wear it almost every day. I love it. It's got lots of purples and blues and colors like that. I'm not a dark, like, browns. And my granddaughter likes these colors. I may see if she wants that one, because she likes the oranges and the browns and those colors. And she may want it. Or she may want all these little, if you haven't watched, I did a advent calendar from Walgreens that came with, I think, 8 different little quad eyeshadows, so all kinds of colors of that. So I may see if she wants those. She's coming home for Thanksgiving, and I'll probably load her up with some makeup on her way home. And I went today because I always buy her a sock advent calendar from, they have them, it's 15 pairs for $15 at Target. And they have all different ones. They have like little cat ones and critter ones and Mandalorian, Star Wars, Harry Potter, Disney princess, just all different kinds, men's and women's. And I ordered one online because I hadn't seen them in the stores, and I wanted to be sure and give it to her so she'd have it when she goes back to school, because she'll be back in school before you start using it, you know what I mean? So anyway, I get there and they're like, oh, we don't have it. So I came all the way. It's like 30 miles for me to go to a Target. So I get all the way over there and they don't have it. And I was like, okay. So I was just wandering around getting some groceries and getting over towards the grocery side. And I guess I must have looked grumpy or something, because this guy walked up to me and he's like, how are you doing today? Can I help you? So I told him my little saga, and he's like, I've seen those. Let me go in the back. And I said, just pick a girl one. I don't care. Just get me one. And so he came back with one for me. So I have one for her. It's like a Woodland Critters or something. I don't care. I was just happy to get one because she's a sock girl and she'd much rather have the sock advent calendar than the makeup one I got for the other two granddaughters. I can't find one my grandson would like. I mean, he's totally into anime, but the only anime advent calendar I saw was like little toy things for like little kids. So anyway, so I won't give him an advent calendar. I guess I could get him one with candy in it or something, but he's trying to lose weight and firm bulk up and all that. So before wrestling starts, he wants to, you know, get some upper body strength and lose a little weight. So he's not going to appreciate a bunch of candy, I don't think. I can ask him. Anyway, so that is today's. I don't know. I did 3 videos in a row. There's Fun Facts Friday, and then I did a fun friend mail one with a couple other things with it, and then this one. So I'm not sure which one's going to be where for the Saturday and Sunday. So this is going to be, it's either Happy Sunday or Happy Saturday. I haven't decided which day to do which thing. So happy Thanksgiving. It's almost here. I think I'm going to do Mask Monday, and I'm going to give you my Thanksgiving menu, and I want to hear what you guys have for your traditional. I mean, you get to the point where you don't want other stuff. You just want those favorite things that you've narrowed it. You know, over the years, you try different stuff and you're like, no, yes, no. So you narrow it down to your favorite things, and then you don't want any of the other stuff. So I'll tell you what our favorite things are come on Mask Monday. So be sure and watch that, and be sure and tell me what y'all like on your Thanksgiving. And you Canada people, you already had your Thanksgiving. What did you have? And you that aren't in the Canada, the US, happy November. Most other countries don't do Thanksgiving, just us in Canada. I guess that's it for now. I filmed my little life way up. I'm getting a spam call. Time to hang up. Have a good week.